In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show labels inside a bar chart in Tableau. We'll walk through this process step by step. So if you're ready, let's get started. First things first, we need to open up the Tableau public app. Once you've got that open, navigate to your worksheet where all the magic is going to happen. Now we've got our canvas ready, it's time to start building our bar chart. Begin by dragging the region field to the rows shelf. This action will align our chart so that each region is clearly represented on our worksheet. Next up, take sales and drag it to the columns shelf. This step will stack the sales data horizontally, preparing our layout for a bar chart. Once this is done, set the view to display the entire chart and sort it in descending order. Doing this will allow us a comprehensive view of our data in a sorted manner, which is particularly useful for identifying trends or insights at a glance. Now, with the basic setup complete, let's move on to some more intricate steps. Double-click on the columns area and type AVG0. This might seem counterintuitive at first, but trust me, it's a necessary step for our next action. Move over to the All Marks card and set it to display a bar chart. This tells Tableau that we want a visualization that's easy to read and widely recognized. After setting it up as a bar chart, click on the drop-down next to AVG0 in the columns shelf and select Dual Axis. This option will give us the ability to synchronize the two axes, making it visually coherent and organized. Right-click on the top axis and select Synchronize Axis. This ensures that our chart scales correctly, providing a more accurate representation of the data. Still on the All Marks card, remove measure names to clean up the visualization so it's neat and not cluttered. This neatness will assist in emphasizing the data labels we are about to add. Click on the Sum Sales card, go to the Label option, and tick Show Marks Labels. This action will enable the display of our sales figures on top of the bars. Now for a bit of flair, on the AVG0 card, drag Region to the labels, so each bar in your chart is clearly labeled with its corresponding region. To make the labels stand out, click Label again and change the font format to white. This provides a contrast against the bars, making the labels more legible and visually appealing. Finally, as a finishing touch, go ahead and hide the headers from both the columns and rows. Doing so will clean up the chart even further, allowing the focus to be on the data itself. And there you have it. You've successfully shown labels inside a bar chart in Tableau. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Tableau tutorials.